Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to start a new series in which we will be developing a project using Spring Boot. So basically, we will be developing a RESTful APIs. Okay, and the scope of the project will not be very large, or maybe you can say very complex, but there will be a lot of topics that we will be covering in this series. Okay. So the prerequisite to this series is that you should have a strong fundamental knowledge of Java programming language. If you want a refreshing of the Java programming language or you want to learn it, then we have a series on our channel with Java Course 2023, which has 37 videos. These 37 videos definitely don't cover everything in the Java programming language, but it covers all the topics that are required for you to get started with this series. Okay, and basically get started with Java programming language. You can refresh your knowledge here also. So that would be helpful here. So you should once go through this series if you want, and also if you want to know how to work with the GraphQL, then we have made fundamental understanding of Spring Boot with GraphQL in this Spring Boot GraphQL series. So you can explore this also. So these are the two things. But now, since we will be developing RESTful APIs, so the scope of this will be much bigger than the scope of this Spring Boot GraphQL series. Okay, and lot of topics will be covered, but the API we will be building will be not so complex or not so big, but it will have its own means you can say it will have its own complexity in it itself. Okay, so let's see what we are going to build. So in the GraphQL series, we have built a movie API, right? Here also we will be building a movie API, but in a RESTful manner, right? And here these are the topics that we will be covering. So CRUD operations are always the most basics and most fundamentals which is covered in whenever you are building any APIs. Those are always there. But along with that, we will be having file handling. So here there will be a field in which there will be a poster of the movie, you can say, and that is an image file. So how do we handle it? How do we save how do we manage those things? How do we save into the database? And along with all the other fields, that is most important. Just doing file handling can be much easier, but along with it is a bit, I would not say complicated, but it requires more understanding, right? So that we will be covering into it. Next will be the DB level and application level validations. So when you are saving your data into the database, your database, how you're designing your schema, what constraints you're putting, and how you are ensuring that those constraints are actually applying on those data. And before saving to database, on the application level, when you are taking the input from the user or the data is coming to a backend, and how you are validating those things. So both types of validations we will be seeing here, right? Next will be pagination and sorting. So of course, the use of pagination and sorting is widespread in the industry level projects, because you have lots of data, and if you can't just show all the millions of records or thousands of records in one page, right? So you need the support of pagination and sorting if you want a custom sorting or based on name or based on year or on whichever parameter. Exception handling is for the purpose so that you display the proper, very accurate and precise message to the user wherever there is something goes wrong. Okay, you can't display stack trace to the user, right? It would not be understandable. So you need to display in a understandable format. So we will see how to do exception handling. And definitely next one will be security. How we will be securing our APIs using Spring Security with JWT, authentication and authorization. And there are more topics which I will add into it. Right now I'm not revealing, but it will be there. Okay, so this is the whole thing that we will be covering here. So if you see the scope of it, it is not so complex, but if you see the topics that we are covering, So once you understand all these topics, whether it is file handling, whether it is validations, pagination, exception handling, security, then these will be kind of, you can repeat these things in other projects, even if you develop a complex one. Okay, there only you have to manage the schemas and entities, but the rest of the operations like file handling, validation, or pagination will be same. So understanding these concepts here in a simpler manner would be much more beneficial for you to develop the complex projects also. All right, so that is what we are going to cover here. So that's all for this video. From the next video, we are going to start our project and start developing the RESTful APIs, right? So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it. And if you are interested in this series and if you are excited for it, then please make sure to like the video and share it with more like-minded people who may be getting benefit from it. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.